Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a do-it-yourself flaxseed gel souffle. Now, this all-natural flaxseed gel with jojoba oil will keep your hair frizz-free and shining. Flax seeds are rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 may help in hair loss prevention, hair thinning, and dry scalp and dandruff. Flax seeds help prevent breakage by enhancing the elasticity of your hair. This gel will help define your curls with a smooth, soft finish. As you can see in this video, boil the flax seeds with water until it becomes frothy and white. You want to have a strainer so you can strain out the flax seeds. You can just separate that from the actual gel itself. Now, I used more water so I could have this consistency instead of a thicker consistency, which I don't really like. Now we're going to add a little bit of 100% pure jojoba oil. This oil strengthens the hair. It prevents hair loss, promotes hair thickness. It's rich in vitamins E and D, and it makes a great combo for hydrating your hair and also retaining the moisture in your hair. As you saw, I also used Jason vitamin E oil, which is actually all natural. It includes vitamin E, of course, along with 5 essential oils like almond, apricot, avocado, sunflower, and wheat germ. I also included tea tree oil, which is good for my scalp because it tends to get dry and very flaky. But anyways, this is it. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.